Welcome to another video from Global Academy Hub, Academic Excellence, Global Impact. Okay, let's understand and apply the perfect square and its identity. This is a perfect square. A plus b squared is equal to a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. Let's go. So let's expand this. And what we do here is we recognize that a plus b squared is equal to a plus b multiplied by a plus b. And we're going to take every element inside the first bracket and multiply it by every element inside the second bracket, which means I have A multiplied by A, and then A multiplied by B, and then B multiplied by A, and then B multiplied by B. So let's go. So A times A is A squared, plus A times B is AB, plus B times A is also AB, plus B times B is B squared. So I'm left at A squared plus, now I have AB and another AB. So I have two of those. So this then becomes 2AB plus B squared. And that's the identity. The identity says A plus B squared is equal to A squared plus 2AB plus B squared. So had I known the identity and recognized this was a perfect square, I could have gone straight here. Let's take a look at an example. Let's look at x plus 3 squared. Now what I have here in the corner is the identity. Now, I'm not going to use the identity in the first instance, but if I did, what I would get is the first term squared plus 2 times the product of the first and the second term, hence 2ab, plus the second term squared, hence b squared. So the first term is x in this case, and so then I would get squared plus 2 times the product of the first and second term, which is 3x. X and 3, their product is 3x, multiplied by 2 is 6x. Plus the second term squared, which is 3 squared, which is 9. And so I would be able to go directly from the identity to this answer. Let's see if that's the same thing I get when I expand. So x plus 3 multiplied by x plus 3, and I'm going to go ahead and multiply everything inside the first bracket by everything inside the second bracket. And so I'm going to get x times x, that's x squared, plus x times 3, that's 3x, plus 3 times x, that's 3x, plus 3 times 3, that's 9. So here I have x squared plus 3x plus 3x, well, that's 6x, plus 9. There you go. Now here's one for you to try. 2x plus y squared. Try that. Comment below. Let me know what you get. If this helped you, go ahead and like, subscribe, and of course, share.